how we can test or debug the Google Tag Manager setup when we are putting in codes on our different websites. So with this we do before publishing the version into the Google Tag Manager system. So it's important for us to do a debugging and testing of the code which we have set up, and we want to just see whether it's firing properly or not. So let's have a look at this. So once you have created your tags, now what we can do is we can go ahead and do a preview of it. So when we do a preview, Google will give you this option where we can provide our website's URL. Okay, if you have given the website URL before also, it will automatically take it, and now it will connect to your website. So now we are going into the testing phase to see whether the tags which we have created are working out properly or not. So the first thing which the tag manager would do is going to give you this pop-up where it will say that tag assistant is connected. So now we can scroll through the page, and when you do so, a new tab has been created. A new tab has been created which will start firing all the tags out here. So let's have a look at this. So what is happening here is based on what activities which you do on the page. So if you go to different tabs, you are filling up a particular form, let's say, so the tags will fill up, will get fired accordingly. Okay, so if I click on, let's say, a particular tab in this particular manner, then we will get to see more particular fires. The tags are going to fire out here. So we get to see what all different types of tags are getting fired in this particular manner. And now if you click on any of these, you will get to see more details about it. Okay, you can see the type of the tag which we have created, the conversion ID which we have used on it. Okay, and the firing triggers are being shown out here. So this way we get to see the data of it as well. And on the left panel, we get to see the different types of firing which happens of the code. Each of these, as you can see, has a different event code which we can see out here. So this way you will be able to see the debugging which is happening. And then also you have the option where there are other details which you get to see on the page as well. So this is going to be the tabs section where the different tags will fire. Then the variables which you have defined will come up over here specifically in this manner. So URL is this one which we are looking at. Okay, so all those things start showing up out here. Data layer, if you are using any data layer as well, that will get defined out here, and we can see which data layer is being used. So these are all the details which we get to see. Plus on the top now, if you see what all tags have the system has found on the page, like there is a Google Tag Manager code which is there. There is a possibly a Google Ads code as well which is there. This is a Google ad which is there. So all the tags which are there on the website is also showcased out here. So in this manner, we can test first the whole website, tags are functioning properly or not, and then we can push it for publishing. We can push it for publishing, and then it can start working in a live scenario. So these are the details, guys, which we get to see out here. I hope this makes sense. You understand now how we are basically going ahead and debugging or testing the tags which we have created in the Google Tag Manager container for our website.